What's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the Suzuki Swift Sport and we're going to be using some tail light tint on the rear lights, including the rear centre light or fog light. The idea being to try and make the back end look a little bit simpler, a little bit cleaner looking, just less going on. And I think the tail lights in this white section being red and the centre fog light being matte black to match the carbon sort of bottom portion of the bumper, I think it'll just make it look a little bit sleeker, a little bit cleaner and just better overall. So we're going to do that now. So I've already finished the driver's side tail light. It's come out really well in my opinion. I just used a little bit of cleaning alcohol, just a little bit of alcohol, wiped the area down just to make sure it was perfectly smooth, and then applied some of this like sort of tail light tint. It's like clear acrylic adhesive sheet. It's probably the best way I can describe it. And I've literally just cut it to shape, cut it to fill that clear section there. And I've already tested the indicators. They still show as amber. You can pick these sheets up for about £2 or £3. This one I think, because it's A4, I wanted it a little bit bigger just in case, you know, I underestimated the size of this section. And I think it was about £4 including postage. So yeah, really cheap, and I think it looks pretty good. So moving over to the other side, I literally just took some scissors and the sheet and just cut this exact shape, cleaned the area and then placed it over, pushing out all the air bubbles from one side to the other. And I'll show you that now. But basically what I did was I tried to push the air bubbles out all to one side to make it as clean of a job as possible, to make it look as much of the headlight and as OEM as possible. So now that I've got the approx shape that I want, you know, it's round about right, I'm now going to work on rounding off these corners just so that it blends away into the design on the tail light, so that it disappears in these lines that are already prominent on the tail light itself. And remember, when you're cutting your sheet, to get the adhesive side on the correct side. If not, you'll end up wasting the material. And now finally, after God knows how many attempts, I've cut this little template out, or this little piece out, should I say, that fits perfectly onto the fog light, just like that. So I think this is going to really round off the back of the car really well. I think it's going to look very nice and subtle. And yeah, we'll throw this on now. So that's it for this particular video. I think it looks brilliant. I think the fog light being sort of masked away on the black recess of the bumper here, or the diffuser sort of looking element to the bumper, and the tail lights being all one colour, I think it looks so much smarter, so much simpler. It just looks like there's less going on, do you know what I mean? It's just more purposeful, and the tail lights are just all one unified colour. I just think it looks better altogether. And I'm considering now debadging the Suzuki emblem and the Suzuki badge and just leaving the Swift Sport badge on the right hand side. But we'll leave that for another day. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.